Polygon just revealed some insane numbers, and Bitcoin's layer 2 stacks has been on fire lately. This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to know when we drop our latest content. Follow us on Twitter at AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Bitcoin hit a new 6-month high this morning, briefly touching 25,250 before a harsh rejection down to the mid 24,000s. We've tapped on 25K at least 6 times in the last week as bulls continue to try and break the massive sell wall. Bears want this wall to hold because if we run through 25,500, a short squeeze will push the price up towards 28K pretty quickly. Yesterday, Hong Kong's Security and Futures Commission officially released a statement outlining its plan to allow retail investors to trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, only exchanges that are licensed by the agency will be able to facilitate them. Investor protection is one of their key areas of focus, and exchanges will have to be wary of the exposure limits, risk profiles, and more. The Special Administration region remains committed to becoming a crypto hub, and its intention of opening doors to retail traders seems to be a huge leap in that direction. A recent report has brought to light the fact that China allegedly is backing Hong Kong's vision of becoming a crypto hub. According to the report, officials from China's liaison office have been frequently guesting at Hong Kong's crypto gatherings. Nick Chan, a National People's Congress member and a digital assets lawyer, said, as long as one does not violate the bottom line to not threaten financial stability in China, Hong Kong is free to explore its own pursuit under one country, two systems. It is worth recalling that China called for a crypto crackdown on trading in 2021, and lately, slight relaxations pertaining to the development of blockchain technology and NFTs have been announced. Blur has generated $460 million worth of Ethereum NFT trades over the past 7 days, a 361% increase over the previous span. However, the surge in trading volume at Blur doesn't appear to be primarily driven by traders simply selling off their Blur tokens and buying and holding high-value NFTs. Instead, while traders with significant NFT holdings appear to be flipping NFTs with even greater frequency than before in an effort to boost potential future token reward allocations. The largest NFT project over the past week in terms of trading volume is the Other Side Metaverse by Yuga Labs. The NFT land plots generated $63 million in trades in the past week, marking a 318% week-over-week increase. The largest seller during that span is the wallet of Matchy Big Brother, a well-known NFT trader who was involved with nearly 1,300 Other Side NFT trades, yielding $4.3 million worth of sales in the process. A look at his trading activity shows a constant flood of inbound and outbound trades, and this is just one example of many. It's facilitated by Blur's unique marketplace model, which not only broadly incentivizes heavy activity with the promise of token rewards, but specifically rewards traders for using bidding pools that enable bulk trading for NFTs. Blur is teasing its next Season 2 token airdrop and specifically notes that traders that bid on top collections closer to the floor get more rewards. In other words, traders that put a bid in close to the floor price of a popular project will maximize their eventual rewards. That's why projects like The Other Side, the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and Moonbirds are all flying this week, and why many of the NFTs in these projects are trading hands over and over again. Through token rewards and gamification techniques, Blur has incentivized traders to treat NFTs more like DeFi tokens, flipping frequently and attempting to maximize every potential benefit through liquidity mining. Blur recently tweeted, "Blur bidding pools have reached a new all-time high of 132 million TVL, or around 2.4 times Aptos' TVL and half of Solana's TVL." Polygon has been hitting some big milestones recently. In the past 24 hours, Polygon has surpassed Solana in NFT sales and volume, with over $10 million in sales and over $25 million in the past 7 days. Polygon co-founder Sandeep responded to this uptick in NFT trading volume by saying this is when y00ts hasn't even arrived on the chain yet. Polygon also reached 220 million total unique addresses, well on its way to 1 billion, with the Layer 2 seeing a 23% growth in monthly active users last month. But with Polygon's rapid growth over the last year, it seems they may have overexpanded, as co-founder Sandeep recently announced they have to reduce their team by about 20%, saying, "Polygon has grown exponentially. To continue on this path of stupendous growth, we have crystallized our strategy for the next 5 years to drive mass adoption of Web3 by scaling Ethereum. Our treasury remains healthy with a balance of over $250 million and over 1.9 billion Matic. A big part of the strategy includes unifying all of our teams under Polygon Labs to drive more growth. As part of this consolidation process, we've made the difficult decision to reduce our team by 20%, impacting multiple teams in about 100 positions. Impacted employees will each receive 3 months of severance pay, regardless of their level or tenure at Polygon Labs." Our new partners at Fetch AI have just announced their partnership with BOSCH to form a new Web3 foundation, Fetch AI Foundation, that aims to research, develop, and harness Web3 technology for real-world use cases that will span across mobility, industrial, and consumer domains. Fetch AI Foundation will be anchored in the core tenets of transparency, openness, neutrality, and data and technology sovereignty. BOSCH and Fetch AI will lead the foundation's management board and look to expand it with other key participants from the industry. BOSCH is a leading global supplier of technology and services. Its operations are divided into 4 business sectors: mobility solutions, industrial technology, consumer goods, and energy and building technology. BOSCH's strategic objective is to facilitate connected living with products and solutions that either contain artificial intelligence or have been developed or manufactured with its help. Fetch AI has been building infrastructure for the Web3 technology stack that will unlock new peer-to-peer business models. At its core, this infrastructure includes a modular autonomous economic agent technology with the goal to generate economic value for its organization, human or machine owner, with limited to no interference from its owner. Human Yoon, Fetch AI's CEO and founder, said, "This is an exciting phase in Fetch AI's journey, as we will see our Web3 tech products enabling real-world industry applications with partners such as BOSCH. BOSCH will also help us fast-track Web3 adoption in the industry and encourage other industry players to join us in this journey. More industry applications will also bring new business opportunities for the existing tech entrepreneurs in the Fetch AI ecosystem." STX, the native token of Bitcoin's Layer 2 Stacks network, is surging as the recent arrival of the Ordinals protocol has unleashed a new narrative of non-fungible tokens and smart contracts on the Bitcoin blockchain. Stacks Network is a Bitcoin Layer 2 for smart contracts focused on establishing the world's biggest and oldest blockchain. Stacks has a separate ledger to store data outside of the Bitcoin blockchain, allowing developers to build applications similar to those on Ethereum or Solana. Stacks is known for being the first token offering qualified by the US Securities and Exchange Commission, which is used to incentivize Stacks miners and participants in the proposed Stacks Bitcoin system, which is aimed at making Bitcoin fully programmable. The token has risen nearly 50% to 60 cents in the past 24 hours, taking the month-to-date gains to 125%. The massive move comes as the crypto community goes wild over Ordinals, which went live on January 21st, allowing users to inscribe references to digital art into small transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. Ordinals on Bitcoin's Layer 1 are complementary to Bitcoin NFTs on Layer 2s like Stacks. Activity in NFTs on Stacks has picked up in the wake of Ordinals' rising popularity. Stacks is a beneficiary of this as it's a Layer 2 supporting smart contracts built on top of the Bitcoin network. People could mint new Bitcoin NFTs on top of Stacks with a lower cost and higher speed. Cosmos Hub, the proof-of-stake interoperability network, launched a significant upgrade on February 16th, causing a surge in its native Atom token by 7% to trade around $14 on Thursday. The Row upgrade aims to improve Cosmos' network security by reducing the chances that validators could collude and compromise the platform. Interchain security allows more than 200 blockchains in the Cosmos ecosystem to benefit from the security of validators that run the underlying Cosmos Hub. Initially, new projects launching on the Cosmos Hub required finding their validators. One of the shortcomings is the lower total value locked in the smaller networks than that of the Cosmos Hub. Cosmos is a network of independent blockchains connected through the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Cosmos is also working on an IBC interoperability for non-fungible tokens with the ICS 721 update, a publicly incentivized testnet in the Cosmos Hub, which opened registrations on February 15th. The testnet allows users to test interchain NFTs across IBC-enabled networks like Juno and OmniFlix. Injective, a blockchain built for finance, is an open, interoperable Layer 1 blockchain powering next-generation DeFi applications, including decentralized spot and derivatives exchange, prediction markets, lending protocols, and more. Injective has been building lots of partnerships in recent months, one of which being Wormhole, allowing it to bring many new blockchains to its platform. Injective just announced their newest partnership with Chiliz, the leading EVM chain for sports. Injective says a wide range of synergies across the two ecosystems and communities can now begin to take shape. That's it for Altcoin Buzz News Update. I'm your host, Cody Buffington. Thanks for watching.